Oh my God! Wow!
Before we start the video, follow my Instagram. It's crisp.andy. I'm going to be posting a survey today, and it's going to say, what YouTube videos do you want? And I'll put a whole bunch that I have in mind, and vote which one do you want to see next. All right, let's get to the video. House here. Okay. Oh, maybe, but...
Alright guys, we're about to get revenge on this lady who a few months ago we were DoorBell ditching.
And no, we were DoorBell ditching the house across from her.
And she didn't want us to do it. So now, payback time.
Here we go. Get the free action! Get the freaking action! That's right. Did they come out? Okay. When we got back to the house, we just talked about what happened when suddenly the Karen we DoorBell ditch pulled up and started going off of my dad. You'll see in this next clip what she's doing. There she goes. Oh my God. Looks like she's mad. Oh shit.
It was at this moment that he knew.
Don't do that ever. That took in so much effort. Look how much I'm sweating. Hooey, that was hard, dude. All right, make sure you check out my Instagram. That's crisp.andy. This is Connor. Say hi, Connor.
Yo.
And we'll see you next time. Peace.